Yeah, well, I'm starting to get where they were coming from because you are impossible.
Boy, George is having fun with Nitro's tail.
Help her. I am not your problem. Only that would
Good boy, Nitro.
It's true. Starting right now.
I just don't know if I have it in me to yell at poor Carl for being dog. I know he's man's greatest creation, but do we really have the right to play God with his creation?
These two play together nice.
We used to be